Hi guys, my name is Zandi. This name is Mfeka Umalwandle. Lo lwandle kaluwelo lwezinkojane zona zihambela le kude phezulu. Today it's a Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. Let me shine a spotlight on my beautiful sis, OG Media Obake, who is a grand supporter of this channel from the start of its podcast. She's always been here commenting, loving the show, commenting, and giving us lots and lots and more love. So ngiyacela ukuthi usenzele kanje, uhambe subscriber OG Media. She does vlogs, she talks about parenting, she talks about gyms, everything, healthy food, you name it. So if you're into those things, let us shine a spotlight on Obake, OG Media. Boo, 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 boo. We can see you, sis. We love you and we appreciate the love that you give to me. Amongst other things that I want to appreciate today, guys, is the fact that ngithunyiwe. Do you remember the guy ofind out ukuthi iy'ngane zakhe akusizona ezakhe after he raised two beautiful boys and the wife passed away and all of that? Ooh, the excitement in me. I got a call from that guy today. He has been discharged and he's healthy, he's fine. And uthi ucela ngintshela ukuthi nonke uyanithanda uyabonga. He has seen all the comments, uhlale phansi wawafunda wonke one by one, and yes, all of you are talking sense and is taking some of your advices, because I remember there's somebody who said, remember ukuthi both you and the kids are victims in the situation. So akumelanga ukuthi upanishe izingane ngecala ezingalazi and lezi ngane zazi wena. And remember ukuthi for the mere fact ukuthi they were even willing ukukunikeza izinto zazo, kusho ukuthi bayakuthanda abantwana. So he says he took that advice, and uthi psychologist yakhe also said the same thing. Uthi they are all victims in the situation. So as they are victims, they are going to move on with life. He's planning to tell uma wakhe yena umuntu umuntu omdala okhona life yakhe, and the rest of the family, they can stay not knowing ukuthi labantwana they are not abantwana bakhe for real, and abantwana uma ngabe sebekhulile bazozidecidela ukuthi what happens. But for now, life goes on. He's going to take it one step at a time. Usekhaya uyahila njengamanje, is recovering very well after the operation, and yeah, he's planning to take abantwana to makaqeda lowo matric, makaqeda ukubhala, is planning to take abantwana to a family weekend away, just the three of them. That is where bazokhuluma khona ke abese yabatshela about leli boom naye ahlangane nalo esegula. And yes, other than that, let me love you and leave you and tell you ukuthi don't forget to go and like, comment, subscribe, share on the cooking channel as well, the Foodgasm. Let us meet next time on the next story time on the Tinder Moments, because ziyaqhubeka i-Tinder Moments ziyaqhubeka. Look at me, collagen mask. If you want some of this mask, please use my code that I'm gonna drop on the description box down below, and order yours from Shein at a discount. Let me love you and leave you. Happy Heritage Week!